So I'm Michael Wheat, I'm the Managing Director of Ponds by Michael Wheat.
I'm here today because we're just really excited to show people Alison's swim pond. It's just been incredible to build this swim pond for Alison, see her dream come to life, and now it's just great to be able to share that with everybody else.
I thought a lot of the swimming ponds I've seen were just so heavily reliant on plants, and because of my background in big koi ponds and fish ponds, I had a really good understanding of filtration, and particularly filtration without a need for plants. So I felt I could do a swimming pond which would kind of get best of both worlds. It would look great, work wildlife-wise, but also have the utility, the area for people to swim in it.
Amazing, absolutely amazing. I mean, it's an overcast day today, but fantastic, absolutely perfect temperature. Straight in, no problem.
Well, I think it's really nice to be able to come and actually see one that's already in. I don't know really, it's lovely. It's looking at it, it's really attractive. It's nice to see the planting around it, and I think it will be a real asset to have, really.
We did have plans to have a swimming pool, which we've shelved, and then we found you. Having spoken to you on the telephone and then sparked our interest, but actually coming in person is a bit of a game changer.
When you actually see it in person, it's a different feeling of peace. And when I got here today, I just stood next to the swim pond for about 5 minutes and just took it all in, and it's so relaxing. And yeah, until you see one in person, I don't think you can, no matter how much I try to describe it, it's really difficult to understand.
How often do you use your swim pond?
Whenever I feel like it.
Okay.
So I don't have a routine. I know some people be the first thing they did every morning would go and jump in, but for me it's all about how I'm feeling, and sometimes it might be raining and the pond looks just inviting and you just think, oh, I'm just going for a dip.
Yeah.
Obviously all the children and friends, they love to use it. It's been very popular, especially when the weather heats up.
Yeah.
But
your sons came today as
yes,
well, didn't they? They had a dip in the pool, and
yeah. But when they come home, it's the first thing they want to do is go for a dip.